Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Navita P. If you have not subscribed already, subscribe right now and hit the like button. What am I talking about in this video? What am I talking about? Well, I have an idea and I want to share it with you, and I'll let you know more about it right after this. Back. Okay, so what is the big idea and why do I have this website open up here? I have an idea for you. I want to share it with you right now. If you are trying to pay off your debt, chances are you have that is sitting there collecting dust. It is sitting there losing value. It's sitting there doing absolutely nothing. You follow? What I have been doing, and I wanted to share with you this website and also really the app. It's called Mercari. And I will share a link below. If you click on it, it'll take you to the app and you can download it and you can start doing what I'm doing. So if you take a look right now, I'm going to show you here. Now, before I dive in, I'm going to tell you that I recently downloaded this app and I have posted a bunch of different items and I've sold quite a few items and I am doing fairly well. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. And if you're looking to make a savings or if you're trying to pay off debt or you want to start putting a little extra towards your mortgage, this is a great way to do it. Now, click on that link at the end of this video, click on the link below and go to this app. It's called Mercari. And it says here, you can sell your items, sell it, list it in minutes and take a few photos, add a description and set your price. Now you're probably wondering, well, what makes this different from eBay and what makes this different from other websites or Amazon? It's very easy to use and it's actually less time in creating a listing than it did when I used eBay. Now I use eBay all the time. They're both very good selling apps, but I have to say it, hands down, Mercari was a lot more simpler for me and it didn't take me so long to make a post. Selling an item is very easy and it takes less, as it says, less than minutes. Ship it. There's no meetups, printable shipping label, email to the seller, very easy. Get paid and listings are free. There's a flat 10% fee when the sale is complete. Let's click on the tell me more icon. So it says here, get your first, list your first item and get $5. You can list now. I will include the link below. It says finally an easy way to sell it, ship it and get paid and sell almost anything. There are tons of items on this website and it's really, really simple and they use tags. It just makes it so much easier. There's other ways of promoting items on here and there's different ways of doing it. So if you really download the app, it just takes a few minutes to learn. It's so easy and simple. Here are recent reviews from sellers, kids clothes to sports cards. I love Mercari. I have made a killing selling everything from kids clothes to baseball cards. Very good, hassle-free, fun, easy to use, very user-friendly. Will buy and sell more here, hassle-free, fun, making money. I love it. Great way to make some extra cash, clean up your home and make someone happy. I love it. So true. You can go through your home, go through your apartment, and go through the garage and see the items that you don't need. Old items, new items, they can all be sold on Mercari. Such an easy app to use, and I've used it and I've sold quite a few things and I just recently downloaded it, so I give it an A+. So again, if you're looking to even do this on the side and you don't know what side hustle to start, you should start this one. Honestly, it is so super easy to use and you can sell so many things. There is even handmade items on here, so if even if you're thinking of Etsy, you can even try it on here too and maybe have it on both platforms. So people are creating wood type of items, drawings, masks, different kinds of items. Like on, I'm sure you have some video games or consoles or anything you could think of, and I'm sure there is a category for it. Cables and adapters. I mean, seriously, I like going to the women handbag section. That's my thing. And they have even vintage coach set, $90. So you can find something on here or you can sell something on here. So you can click on deals. You can see deals in each item here, each category, and it's so simple and it's very easy to become a seller. So if you are thinking about, again, starting a side hustle and you don't know where to start, right off the bat, selling is one of the best things to do. And if you go out and you buy items and you're like, hey, you know what, maybe I can sell this and maybe I got it in a good deal or discount, you can sell it that way. Such a good item, such a good app. Get started today. Click on that link below, download that app and get started, and see how many items. Go around your house and make a list and just go around the house. Ask your kids and ask your fiance, your husband, your boyfriend, your friend, you know, whoever you're living with. Ask them if they need that item that's been sitting there for months and collecting dust. If you're not using that game console anymore, get it out the door. There's no reason why you can't sell it. Headphones, so many headphones. Doesn't make sense to keep it. I mean, there are tons and tons and tons of things. I mean, if you go through your junk drawer right now, I have a junk drawer right here, and I'm sure I can find, oh, I just found something. I'm not using it. I can sell it. So get going. Download the app. Great. Now I can't even close the drawer because I took that item out. Got it. So go through your house, make a list, start selling. What I would do is get a bag with all the items that I'm going to sell, and I pack them up in the bag very neatly and securely so they don't get broken or damaged, and I put them in there and I just snap away, take pictures, and put everything on there. It's such a fun way to get started in discovering a new side hustle. So please go ahead and try it right now. Trust me, you are gonna love it. And I'm sure you have at least minimum 10 items that you can discard from your home that is collecting dust. I actually have a few items I just thought of that I should be getting rid of. So make your list, get a bag and put them in, and those are the items you're going to start selling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching.